Do you ever wonder how you can tackle common health issues without always relying on pharmaceuticals? What if nature already has the answers? In our modern world, we're constantly grappling with a myriad of health concerns. These range from heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide, to obesity, a growing global health crisis, to skin problems that affect our confidence and well-being. But what if we told you that you don't always have to turn to synthetic drugs to manage these issues? That's right, nature itself is a treasure trove of remedies that can help us lead healthier lives. These natural remedies are not only effective but also come with fewer side effects compared to their pharmaceutical counterparts. They've been used for centuries across cultures, and it's high time we rediscover their potential. One of these natural remedies that has been gaining popularity is coconut oil. Coconut oil, a tropical treasure, is packed with surprising health benefits. This nutrient-dense oil, extracted from the meat of coconuts, has been used for centuries in various cultures, not just for its delightful tropical taste, but also for its impressive array of health benefits. One of the most notable benefits of coconut oil is its ability to promote heart health. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are harmful. Coconut oil, in fact, is rich in healthy fats known as medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These MCTs are known to increase the levels of high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, often referred to as the good cholesterol, in your body. Higher levels of HDL can help reduce the risk of heart diseases, making coconut oil a heart-friendly choice. Next on our list of benefits is coconut oil's potential to aid in weight loss. How, you ask? The MCTs in coconut oil are metabolized differently by your body. They go straight to the liver where they are converted into energy or ketones. This process can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Additionally, coconut oil can also promote feelings of fullness, thus reducing your appetite and helping you consume fewer calories throughout the day. And let's not forget about the wonders coconut oil can do for your skin. Its moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural moisturizer that can hydrate and nourish your skin. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that can help fight off free radical damage, keeping your skin healthy and youthful looking. So, whether it's promoting heart health, aiding in weight loss, or improving skin health, coconut oil certainly has a lot to offer. And the best part? These benefits are just the tip of the iceberg. With its wide array of nutrients, coconut oil can provide numerous other health benefits, some of which we're yet to fully understand and appreciate. But wait, there's more to this miracle oil. Let's dive deeper. Continuing with the wonders of coconut oil, let's delve into some more of its remarkable health benefits. Firstly, coconut oil is a powerful antimicrobial. It's packed with lauric acid, a fatty acid that your body can convert into a substance known as monolaurin. Now, this isn't just a fancy name, it's a formidable foe to many harmful pathogens including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you're effectively bolstering your body's own natural defenses. Secondly, let's explore coconut oil's potential brain-boosting effects. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are a type of fat that's metabolized differently from others. They bypass the usual digestive route and go straight to your liver, where they're converted into ketones. Ketones are a sort of superfuel for your brain, and there's growing evidence that they may help improve cognitive function and even slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, coconut oil may also improve dental health. It can be used in a process called oil pulling, which involves swishing the oil around your mouth to remove bacteria and promote oral hygiene. It's an ancient practice but has gained modern popularity for its simple yet effective approach to dental care. So, as you see, coconut oil is a true all-rounder when it comes to health benefits. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why coconut oil is a must-have in every household. We've journeyed through its numerous health advantages, from boosting heart health, supporting weight loss, to enhancing skin and hair health. It's an all-natural solution packed with goodness. So, let's make it a part of our daily routines and experience the transformation it brings. Remember, good health is a journey, and every step, or in this case, every drop counts. So, why not start your journey with coconut oil today?